es que estamos aquí porque todos somos apasionados.
We're all here because we are all passionate of where we come from and who we are as individuals. And most of us have come because of our frustrations and our fears and our anger.
And I'm here because I think we need to stand up for what we believe in. And I think we've been misled, and I'm afraid for the future if Donald Trump is our president and his policies prevail.
In 1965, there was the Voting Rights Act, and Republicans seem to think that it's not needed anymore. Meanwhile, we have thousands of black people standing in lines at one polling station. So what do you think is going to happen with their vote? So I say black votes matter.
I knew that racism existed, but then as this election results, I had to experience it myself. I was told to go back to Mexico or they'll shoot me when he is inaugurated. And so I said, you know what, I need to do something. I can't stay here and sit down and watch this. While I saw other friends also experience similar things. And so that's why I'm here.
I am a mom, I am a wife, I am an African American, I know my ancestry, and I believe that I have rights just like everyone else to live in peace and harmony and not live in fear. I have students who rely on us to go ahead and reveal the truth and not bury lies. And so I'm here today so that lies will no longer be buried. We will not be bought out.
I'm a veteran. I'm a lesbian, and I believe in human rights, and the things that are happening right now are just, the cabinet he's appointing, it's against everything we stand for and equality in our country, and I just think that we have to stand up and make our voices heard and just be here,